Picture ko ba yan isa-isa?
Doon lang tayo sa ano natin. Ano ka ba? Sa pig ako. Si Loan sa dragon.
Scorpion ako. Ah, kwan ba to? Babam.
Yeah!
Luan. You're the monkey.
Ito monkey! Yes, banana!
Ah, come on. Next. Pag ganun ba tayo? O, dito muna.
Look at the goat. Ano pa?
Scorpion nga ako. Babam.
Huh?
Scorpio.
Iba yung Scorpio.
Eto, goat. 1991.
1991?
Oo.
Oh, dito. Pero picture tayong tatlo. Hindi naman kita yung goat. Pa-picture tayo.
Babam. Cool. Okay. The next.
Ayun, pig. Tignan mo na. Horse, Luan. Horse. Horse.
Babam.
Look at daddy, oh. Look at daddy, horse.
Ito.
Here, you're on Disney.
Oh, may dragon. Oh.
Oh, there's
It's
a
Bumbo.
Bum.
Te, dyan ka muna sa snake. Huwag kang naglalak lang. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. Oh, it's little Bumbo. It's so cute.
Dragon. Tatlo
You want to
tayo.
picture with the dragon, Bumbo?
Tatlo tayo, love. Ay, picture ka with the dragon, di ba?
Dyan siya sa labas. Huwag dyan sa... Kaya nga may ring. Okay, Bumbo.
You stand there. You stand.
Ayaw niya na blob.
Ayaw mo? You stand. Oh, dragon.
Yum.
You take a look at the camera. Oh.
Pag niya daw yung dragon.
Come on. Hindi ka kay mama.
Ay, take a picture with the dragon muna. Sige na. Mamaya na yung pulutin. Bam. Dragon.
Dragon.
Yum. Dragon. You hold the dragon nose.
Nakita mo yun?
Bakit?
Pinaparangutan niya yung dragon.
Come. Next step. Dragon. Ang cute ng mukha ng dragon. Come on. Oh, rabbit. 19... Ano ka na ba?
You're too big ako.
Sa baba ka. Come on. That's Bum teeth.
The big ears, yes. Big ears.
Ano ka man next? Mukha bang ox yan?
I don't know. Hindi ko naman
Mukha ang Bambi. Ayun, tiger. Nakita yung tiger. Sorry. Ano tong isang to?
mouse. You're on the mouse. Right?
Bam.
Katad.
Halika.
Yes. Ano yan? Maze? Uy, meron pa doon. May panda doon.
Oo, dyan mo na si tiger. What's that, Bam? You hold the tiger. Halika na. We go to pig. Because mommy is a pig. Kabaliktad ka ngayon ng konye. Birth year mo lablab na animal. Okay.
People are chivalrous and gallant. Whatever they do with all their strength. There is no left or right and there is no retreat. They have tremendous fortitude and great honesty. They don't make many friends, but they make them for life and are extremely loyal. They study a great deal and are generally well informed. They are quick-tempered, yet they hate arguments and quarreling. They are kind to their loved ones, and they are most compatible with rabbit and sheep. You're my sheep.
Get mo si mama. Test mo ngayon pa niya. Okay, let's go to the dog. Go, dun dog. One, two, three. Babam.
Sino ba namang taong naglagay ng sticker piman dun sa...
Diba? Tara, dun tayo sa chicken. Then we go to the panda na.
It's Big Ken Ken. Big Ken Ken. Yes, Ken Ken. Big chicken Ken Ken. Let's go
Ito?
to the panda. Paano pumunta doon?
Diretso mo lang.
You wear your hat. Ah, it's cold. Let's go.
Dito, dito. Ay, dito ba? Oh, sige, dito. Sa baba tayo. Siguro pa sana basahin yung sa dragon.
Ay, oo nga, ano. Tayo.
Kaya sa picture kami sa panda. Ay, dito maganda mag-picture.
In the Chinese word, when people think of China, they often think of the panda. The Chinese regard them as a symbol of friendship and peace. The panda has an important place in Chinese culture and history. In the Shangshu, a written history of the Jing Shizu dynasty. Yes, maybe before sila, oh. The panda was described as an invincible animal, as strong as a tiger. Oh. As a tribute to kings and emperors, a panda's pelt? Ano yung pelt? It's often given
Balat.
during the time. The tallest type is sharp. Contrast to one another, the animals that some people though poach them. Most Chinese consider them honored guests. Where are we going? Ooh.
Check ko lang yung dragon. Pwede ka na mag-Chinese hand food dito.
Oo nga eh.
Cost.
Ako doon.
Yung saan doon.
Doon.
Sa kabila may doon.
Isusuot ko yung binili mo.
Yung binili ko.
Yung hanpo.
Wala naman ng hand food.
Ay, wala na ba?
Hmm.
Yung orange?
Alit kayo sa'yo nun.
Binili mo? Meron ba ulit ito?
Oh, Japanese.
Japanese?
Hmm.
Can we go?
Hmm. May tunnel dyan sa kabila.
Oh, Quebec. Fun.
Ay, Korea to.
Quebec. Oo, Korea Garden.
Doon natin yung tunnel.
May meron pa dito oh.
Saan? Hindi, meron pa dun. Ayun o, Japanese Walk Tunnel. Dito sa kabila. Dito. Dito. Dito, exit na yan.
Ay, yung hat. No. Not that one.
Ne.
Huh?
Hat.
You wear your hat, Mamta. It's cold. It's getting cold. Let's go. Let's go over there.
Grumpy na yan.
Sabi ka na daw, talis ka na.
Talaga, sulitin na lang natin yung walk natin. Oh, may lumabas na tao dun. Love. Sige, diretso lang. Dito nga kami naglalaro noon. Eto. Itong gaseban na to.
Oh,
Diyan kami naglalaro noon.
naglalaro na.
Ayaw niya ba? May na. Oh. Tawakan ko siya. Sulitin natin yung video ta. Hindi ka na babalik dito.
Pwede naman pag gusto natin mag-ano. Maglakad-lakad. Ano yan? Philippine? 950. Wow! I wanna look.
Wait, sino yung camera mo?
Galing! I mean, natural ba to? Man-made. Ah.
Ayos naman yung second. Ano pa?
What's there? Oh. Huh?
Jesus statue. Can you stand here?
Anong Jesus?
Yeah, Jesus.
Puro Buddha.
Bam, you stay there.
Let's go picture. Ayan.
Diyan ngayon guys, sa gitna lang. 3, 2, 1.
Yes. Can you go to daddy?
Cut. Ayun, minus na yan.
Huh?
Mama!
I get scared.
Alam mo,
Pwede bang pumasok doon?
oh, lalabas ka doon sa taas sa may Gibraltar.
Ano pag bigger si Luan? Pwede mo kami videohan here.
Paanong pababa?
Daming Buddha.
Um,
10 billion
Um,
dollars. 10 billion dollars. 10 billion dollars. 10 billion dollars. 10 billion dollars. I'm okay with 100 million pesos. 100 million pesos. 10 billion dollars. 10 billion dollars. Happy, healthy, wealthy Luan. Happy, healthy, wealthy Luan.
wait. Diyan ka lang.
Why did you get sick?
Babam.
Yes, it's okay. Oh, daddy, oh.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Go. Puntan natin yung dragon. Oo, yun natin yan. Sa taas.
Okay na din pag you want, ano, parang
Kapag gabi maganda dito.
kapag staycation, ganun tayo.
Gabi yung maganda.
Okay. Kapag gusto nating, wala lang.
Saka na, balikan na natin yung dragon.
Okay, let's go back to the...
Dito, lab. Dun yung dragon. I can't stop the loneliness. So what up to say it's over nami. Ba't sila naglagay ng Jesus statue dyan?
Ano Jesus touch?
Yan, yan mga yan.
Hindi naman Jesus touch yan.
Jesus statue, hindi Jesus. Jesus. Oh, praying monk.
Ah. Okay, bakit?
Alam mo, ang tunnel kasi sa